Hey guys, it's Ghost. I know there's some controversy going on about making Pokemon Gijinka dolls. The fact that so many people are making them and apparently it's unoriginal because so many people are doing it and you have to be not like all the other doll creators. Honestly, I don't care. I do this for me, and if I want to make the doll, I'm gonna make it, and I don't really care how many other people are making it. Also, there's like more than 800 Pokemon right now, so yeah. Unoriginal my ass. But honestly, if you think that, you're probably not watching this video, or you just clicked on it, paused it, and commented how much you hate Pokemon dolls. So I guess this disclaimer is kind of irrelevant. That off my chest. Now, let's get started. You can see here, the doll that I will be using is a Twyla. This is one that I got such a long time ago. It's very old. I think this is the basic Twyla, but she was not in very good condition when I got her, so I just kind of had her in my stock box like this for quite a while. So yeah, let's use her as my custom. I've been working on this doll for quite some time. I came up with this custom design in a live stream. This was probably like a year ago when I came up with this. And I also created a dress based off of this design. It's right here. I plan to stray quite a bit from this original design, but I do want to keep the original inspiration and the Pokemon in mind. That said, let's get Twyla ready for her custom. First step is to chop off all of her hair. Okay, that took a while, but I was able to get all the hair out. Now I'm going to use some pure acetone to remove the face up. Instead of making new wefts, I decided to reuse an old wig of mine. Some of you may recognize this as my original Tian's wig. I have no use for it, so I decided to restyle it, and I have a new hairstyle for Deino. By the way, I'm going to give her face up. Now, my respirator is still out of commission, so I think I'll be giving her a acrylic paint face up for once. This is the first time I'm featuring an acrylic paint repaint on my channel. I've done a few in the past, I just didn't post them on here. I did do a few on TikTok. I also did another one, but it's a part of a collab, so I'm not allowed to post it yet. So yeah, I do have some confidence in doing this, but we'll see. Eyes get covered by her hair, but I do like how this face-up turned out. So I made this little bow out of this sort of burgundy-ish colored ribbon, and I'm going to be attaching it to the top of her wig with a pin, and I'm also going to be securing the wig on top of her head with said pin. Also added this earring that I found in my stock box. I'm pretty sure this is Jane Doolittle's earring. I painted it black and silver, and I think that adds an extra dragon type charm. Had trouble doing it on camera, but it's here now. A stretchy piece of lace sheer fabric, and I sewed some snaps on it so that I can wrap it around and snap it in the back, and it'll look like she has a collar and sort of a top part to her dress. Just to tighten up the look a little bit. It's hard to see, but I added a piece of black velvet ribbon around her neck. I decided to add a layer of that black lace underneath the waist ribbon because I liked the extra layer of detail it gave. Here I painted her original shoes, the same burgundy color that I used for her face and for the spots on her dress. And I also took this purse. I believe this is from a cerise hood doll. I don't know which one this is, but I thought this really matched her overall style, so I'm going to add this as an accessory. And with that, I think she is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed it. I really missed working on dolls, and this was a doll that was really long in the making. I'm honestly glad I waited until now because I only got this velvet ribbon and this lace fabric recently, and I feel like this really completes her look. And before you ask, yes, a lot of her inspiration does come from Sia. I was going through a bit of a Sia phase when I designed her, and I decided to keep that inspiration because she looks really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys liked that, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!